back for another video. Sorry about that last one. Gonna open some chests here. If you watched the last video, I'll leave a link in the description to continue my other videos. I'm gonna upload another video later today. Some GTA. Okay, guys. Let's see. Alright. We're so close. I wish you guys would watch the other video. Oh my god, I got the lightning. Oh, another epic to the group. Seriously, nobody? Come on. Which card should I request? I guess we can do a hog rider. Oh my god, guys. Oh man. Okay. Alright, guys, we gotta try out that lightning. Screw the giant. Okay. Sorry last time, guys, I had to go. But alright, we're gonna try to get this. Maybe if we win this round, it'll probably be it. Alright, let's go. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot. Guys, what if the expo isn't there? Oh my god, what if the expo is not there? Oh my god. Oh man, he's got a Pika too. Oh man. We can't let him have anything. Oh, guys, just cross your fingers. We have to have that expo there. If the expo isn't there, I'm gonna be so mad. Come on, all we need is one prince. Come on, prince. Come on. Spam it. Spam. Lightning is 6? Wow. Alright, guys, we're going to try this. And we won our first round. One more hit. Oh, one more. Yeah, we still won. Oh, look at that. Beauty. Pride and joy. Oh my god! A giant chest. That's what I'm talking about. A giant chest. No! No, the expo is gone! I knew it! Oh, the expo's... No! Oh my god! The expo's gone. I don't need a goblin bear, I already have one. Let's just buy Hog Rider, I guess. Oh my god. Guys, that is just bullshit. Well, at least we get Hog Rider out of it, I guess. I guess that's a plus, guys, you know. I haven't even used my Inferno Tower. It's already level 2. I've seen what it does, though. Oh my god, 12 hours to unlock that? 12 hours? Okay, let's just use all my coins, my gems, to open this, which is going to be nothing good, and then open my very first giant chest. Oh my god. Let's see. Sorry, guys. Alright, let's go for another video. Sorry, not video, but another round. I'm so off topic again. Alright, let's see. That's easy. Alright, guys, let me try out my lightning here. Whoa! That's sick. That is so lit. That is lit, guys. I am the boss. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna... I figured I'd just continue this episode since I have time right now. I don't know what I want to continue. If I want to do a Minecraft video or a GTA 4 video. I don't know yet. Oh, you want to play that game, huh? Well, I got a better idea. Yeah, I don't know. Leave in the comment section. I might do both. I'll probably do both. It'll probably be a multiplayer, by the way, too. There's this guy. I'm sure you know of him, Mr. Elliot88. You know. Well, I hope you know of him. He does some good stuff, I guess. You know, he's let's see, grounded for right now. Oh yeah. Stupid baby dragon. That's how you treat me? Just leave me here with a Pika? A Pekka? Yeah, I'm so dead. Oh my god, no. Wow. That's bullcrap, guys. 69 coins. Apollo 69. Oh, shit. What is this, guys? $37 days ago? Wow, these people are not active. Guys, you know what? I think we're just gonna leave this clan. Yeah. Hey, I'm number 5 in it. Yeah, let's just create a clan. Whoa, guys. It's gonna be Loronix's army. Yeah. Let's see. We'll do Pekka. Join to be the best. I cannot spell today. Army. Alright. Guys, I'm gonna leave it as open. Whoops. Gotta make it. I'd say. Let's go 800. No, let's go 600. Oh, you need 1,000 gems. Oh shit, guys. You need 1,000 gems, really? I mean, not gems, gold. Hopefully that'll just stay there. Yeah, guys, this was a bad video. I can even admit that. To be honest, I will get you, Expo. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but I will get you. Maybe in this big chest. Oh yeah. Alright, guys. Well, I'm gonna leave this off here. Thinking about making a, GTA or Minecraft video, Xbox 360. I'm getting my PS4, so that'll be good. Gotta get my TV, gotta buy it, and all that. But I'm just gonna leave this video here. See you next time.